Today's edition of Toggle's Daily Video Insights. If you like these insights, would like to see them more often, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or otherwise check us out on toggle.global. Today we're going to take a look at Garmin, a maker of ubiquitous fitness devices that many of you have come in contact with, no doubt. The focus today, however, is going to be on the fact that the 3-month momentum for this particular stock has turned positive. And historically, when this has happened, the stock actually had quite a considerable rally of about 17+% over the following 6 months. And as you already know by now, you can see it here, the starting point at 119.27. Over the horizon, the projection would take you right below 140, where again the stop loss level is at 108.98. Below this, the likelihood that a paradigm in this driver still being relevant is significantly diminished, and so it's a good point to reassess the value. Now you can explore why it might move. As you know, we can examine visually all of the previous periods when you've had this switch to above zero again in the 3-month momentum, and as you're seeing here, the most of the episodes that you see here have generally resulted in an upward move. Again, going back to the back test down here, you can see that the convexity or the reward versus the risk is quite considerable, with the exception of a few episodes where the stock actually did drop quite a bit more after this point. So the stop loss level is very, very important, and if you keep it contained, the risk reward is somewhere in the 3-to-1 or 2-to-1 ratio. Now, as always, as you know, these are just incremental updates. There are other things to take a look at with regards to Garmin, so clicking on this will take you straight to the stock overview, and as you can see here, we haven't really had any other incrementally bullish insights on Garmin since November, where the system correctly pointed out that there was potentially quite a considerable bullish run ahead, which had lasted all the way into January. This one now is, again, hopefully the start of a larger rally, but as always, it's good to take a look at everything, and this is what the asset overview is for. Going back to the original insight, again, keep in mind that the confidence band is roughly where you expect the price to stay. And so one thing that you want to do this is check in on the stock quite regularly. So much for Garmin today. In the daily brief, we also discussed the outlook for the cloud business, and particularly how meaningful that is for Amazon and a couple of other companies. If you subscribe to the daily brief, it should be in your mailboxes already. If you don't, go to toggle.global, sign up, and you will start receiving this daily piece of market briefing that hopefully teaches you something new every day. Thanks for your attention, and we'll see you again soon.